Argo Glass and Windows provides window repair services, and today we would like to show you how to replace a cracked insulated glass unit on a double-hung window. The first step would be removing of the sash from the window frame, so we can put it on sawhorses and get an easy access to the thermopane. Next, we cut the glue between the glass and plastic glazing bead to remove the old glass pane out of the frame. After the glass is removed, we need to clean the sash from glue, and we're ready to install the new IGU. The following step is to put some silicone in corners to secure the glass, and after this we can put the glazing bead back and start cleaning the glass. Finally, we can install our sash back into the frame. By choosing Argo Glass and Windows, you're choosing the best customer service and supreme quality for any window and patio door repairs.